Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to increase the RAM on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that your Oppo phone supports the virtual RAM feature. If your Oppo phone supports the virtual RAM feature, then open Settings and tap on About Device. Now on this page, just tap on RAM and from here you will find the option of RAM expansion. Just enable this toggle. And as you can see, we currently have 4 gigabytes of RAM on our smartphone. And we can expand the RAM on our smartphone by 1 gigabytes or 2 gigabytes. And finally, we also have the option of 4 gigabytes. Now, for an example, I will select 2 gigabytes. Now, just go back. Then select Restart Now. Now, once your smartphone finishes rebooting, and if you open Settings, now in Settings, just tap on About Device. Then tap on RAM. And as you can see, we have successfully increased the RAM on our smartphone by 2 gigabytes. And this is how you can increase the RAM on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.